Hello and welcome to this exciting tutorial. We are learning about for each loops in PHP. So what are for each loops? Let me open my basic HTML page and type for each loop like that and save it as foreach.php. There we go. Okay, so a for each loop goes through an array. So inside our PHP tags, there's an array that I have created here. Let me just paste that information here. So this is how we assign values to the end of an array like this. So these values are being assigned to this array. And so at the end of the day, by the time the PHP gets here, this array contains all these values. So to see or to go through these values, we can use the for each loop. So it's for each name of the array as let me put a variable here. You can name it anything, but I'll name it value like that. So what's happening is when PHP gets here, it will keep looping through here for the duration of the array. So the advantage with the for each loop is there's no risk of creating an infinite loop because it only loops through up to the end of an array, and you don't have to worry about the length of an array to specify it here. So this is super useful. So in here we can do some data processing because each time through the array, value is assigned one of these at a time. Okay, so let's just echo what value is at any given time. Let's concatenate a comma at the very end. So let me check this out and refresh. So you see we have book chalk as per list of items. Okay, now you could, because this array, as I add these values, because this is the first element, it's got an index of 0, which is the key. So I could check the keys as well by doing this as key equals greater than value like that. So now what happens is through the loop, once value is assigned to one of these items, and then key, you could name it anything as well, is assigned the index of the item in the array. So let's echo this. Let me say key concatenate equal greater than, just so we can see something. So let me refresh this and you see 0, 1 is equal to that, and so on and so on. Let me just add a break tag instead so that these guys are on separate lines like that, which is awesome. You can see it better now. So the key and the value. So I can put anything here. It doesn't have to be these arrows. I can put the full colon, yeah, like that. Okay. So now there's a different kind of array, which is an associative array, which works exactly the same. So we can do this and look through this one, and we'll get similar results. Now these are the keys. The only difference is that they're numeric, or they are text, sorry, instead of numeric. So I could, at the top, retain this array, and what have I done? Let me paste that and put this back like that. So this is one entire array. Let me put the full colon back there and let's refresh and see what happens. So you see it starts by showing the numeric keys, and then it goes to the non-numeric keys as expected. So this is how you use a for each loop. This is super useful, especially when you're dealing with databases and this kind of information, because you will be able to easily loop through arrays without problems. All right, so that's it for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in a later video.